Hi guys, in today's video I wanted to show you how you can make this cute mini flowers. They're about, let's see, two inches, inch and a half to 2 inches in diameter. They're very easy to make. You can use them as an embellishment on a lot of things, like you can put them on a painted glass jar, wine bottles, gifts, gift bags, party favors, and they're very easy to make. All you need is a circle 5 inches in diameter or 13 centimeters. You can use felt, or you can also use paper. Let me show you one that was made out of paper. This one was made out of paper, but if you want something more durable than paper, more waterproof, felt would be the perfect choice. You trace your circle. I use a pen, and when I cut it, I cut on the inside of the line so you don't see the pen. And this should be the back of the felt sheet. I get the felt sheets either from Walmart or your local craft store will have them. They're between 25 cents each to $1, depending on the quality, or if they have any special designs like glitter, or if they're hardened. So go and cut the circle. Okay, and this is my circle. You now need to draw a spiral. This is an example. Another one. And I just freehand it. It's very easy. All you need to do is to make sure the inner circles that you're drawing are even. There. Just make sure that the space from here to here to here is even, or almost even. Doesn't need to be perfect. And that's it. And now you follow the line. And you cut. You're gonna have this pointy edge there, so you just go back and or make it round. Okay, and that's it. There. This example, this was cut on my cutting machine. That you can do by hand. It's just not going to be as perfect. You can go back and cut this edge, make it wavy to achieve this effect. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but the edges are wavy, or if you leave it as is, this is the look. Alright, next thing you do, you start at this end, okay, the pointy end, and where the pen line is, that is the bottom of the flower. This would be the base. You start rolling it in. Make sure it's tight. This would be the center. You roll and you add some glue, hot glue, or glue of your preference. I love hot glue. And you continue rolling it. Just make sure you align at the bottom, the base of the flower. and you clean up. Hot glue is very stringy. You just clean it up. So as you get to about halfway, you can loosen up a little bit. See? Loosen it up to give it just some realistic look. So it looks a little bit open. Be careful not to burn yourself. And there it is. You can add a button, a jewel, a pearl. I love the look of pearls. So I'm just gonna add a small one in the center. Okay, this pearl doesn't want to behave. Okay. Nope. Let me get another one. Okay. And there you go. And we're all done. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click like, and stay tuned for my next video. I will show you how to make these little cuties. They're done in a different way, also very easy. Just stay tuned. Bye.